Hi children, how are you? Very good. So once again welcome back to our maths class. So dears, last day we have some homeworks, isn't it? Have you all completed? Yes, very good. So now I'm going to complete the homeworks, okay? Yes. So all of you take your book page number 43. So first draw and add the numbers of objects. Write the total. So first we want to draw the objects here. Then we want to add the objects and write the answer here. Okay. So first I am going to draw the circles. Here 9, isn't it? So in first column I am going to draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many circles are in totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 circles are there. Okay. Then question number B. 8 plus 4. So now I am going to draw the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 squares. Okay. 12. Then 5 plus 3. So here I am going to draw the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So the answer is 8. Here 7 plus 3. Now I am going to draw the smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3. 1, 2, 3. So totally how many smileys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Then question number A in page number 44. See 8 plus 2. Here I am going to draw the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Okay. Here 9 plus 1. Here I am going to draw the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer is 10. Then 7 plus 2. Now I am going to draw the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Here I'm going to draw the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Have you all get this answer? Yes, very good. So, dear children, today we are going to see about a new topic. Addition using fingers, okay? Addition using fingers. See children, here 4 plus 8. Now we are going to add these numbers using our fingers, okay? So first, which number is the bigger one? 4 and 8. Yes, very good. 8 is the bigger one, isn't it? Yes. So you keep the number 8 in your mind, okay? You keep the number 8 in your mind. Always you keep the bigger number in your mind, okay? So 8 is in our mind. Then here the smaller number is 4. So we can take 4 fingers on our hand, okay? So here 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, isn't it? So 8 is in our mind and 4 finger is in our hand. So now 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, start from 9 because 8 is in our mind. Then 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12. See the answer. 8 plus 4. The answer is 12. Okay. So this is the method of addition using fingers. Okay children. See here. 4 plus 4. First question. 4 plus 4. So first these two numbers are the same, okay? So you can keep any of this number in your mind. Here 4. So you can keep 1, 4 in our mind and take 4 fingers on your hand, okay? Then count from 5. Why we are going to count from 5? Yes, very good, because 4 is in our mind. So 4 after 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8, okay? Then see, here 1 plus 5. Which one is the bigger one? Yes, very good. 5 is the bigger one. So keep the number 5 in our mind. Okay. Then take only one finger in our hand. Then 5 after 6. So the answer is 6. Okay. So, dear children, here page number 45 C and D. Then page number 46 A to H. Okay, these are your homework problems. Okay, you can complete all these questions. Okay, children. So we will meet at our next class. Bye.
Today we will learn adding numbers up to 10. So let's get started. There are 4 candies in the box. If I put 3 more candies in the box, how many candies will be there in the box? We can write in either way, like this, like this, or this. So we have to add 3 and 4. Let me help you do that. Think the bigger number, that is 4, and count up 3. 5, 6, 7. Yeah! 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 candies plus 3 candies will be 7 candies. Now, let's take another example. There are 5 stars on the page. If I draw 2 more, how many stars will be there? we can write either way. So, we have to add 2 and 5. Let me help you do that. Think the bigger number, that is 5, and count up 2. 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So there are 7 stars in total. Let's take another example. There are 7 pencils on the table. If I put 3 more pencils, how many pencils will be there in total? So we have to add 3 and 7. Let me help you do that. Think the bigger number, that is 7, and count up 3. 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Good. So kids, what have we learned? When we have to add 2 numbers, think the bigger number in your head and count up the smaller number on your fingers.